myself Rahul Srivastava sir from St. Michael Academy. Today I am going to teach you maths for class 4 chapter 8 geometry. A plane is a flat surface. A point has no length, breadth or height. It has a definite position in space. A point is drawn on the paper with a sharp pencil. It is represented by a capital letter. Here in the image it has P. Line. A line is a straight line that can be extended indefinitely on the both sides. It has no endpoint and hence no fixed length. It is named using 2 points on the line, example M and N. Next point, array. Array has one fixed point called the starting point and it can be extended in less in the other direction. It is the name using the fixed point and any other point on the array ST. Line segment. A line segment has a fixed length and 2 fixed endpoints. It can be drawn on the piece of paper by marking 2 points, say X and Y, and then joining them. We measure a line segment. We measure the length of the line segment using a ruler. The ruler scale is marked in the centimeter from 0 to 15 or 13. Each centimeter is further divided into 10 parts. Each small part is called millimeter. Intersecting part line. The two lines can meet or cut at a point. Line cutting or meeting at a point are called intersecting line. The point at which they meet or cut is called the point of intersection. And ABCD, two line intersecting point 0. AB और CD मतलब दो लाइन है वो इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं कहाँ पे OP इंटरसेक्ट करता है, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन. Parallel lines. Lines which always remain at an equal distance from each other and never meet are called parallel line. A, B, C, D, E, F. Three lines A, B, C, D and E, F are parallel line. A, B parallel, C, D parallel, E, F. Perpendicular line. When a standing line is drawn, meeting or cutting a sleeping line, we get perpendicular line. AB is the perpendicular to CD. AB is perpendicular to CD. Next, exercise 8A. First question. Draw 2 points P and Q on a page of your notebook. Join the 2 points P and Q with a ruler to make a line segment. Measure its length and can you draw any other line segment joining these 2 points? Draw a 2 point P and Q on a page of your notebook. यानी P और Q 2 पॉइंट ये जो नोटबुक है इसमें हम लोग लेते हैं. Join the 2 points. P Draw 2 point P and Q on a page of your notebook. Join the 2 point P and Q with a ruler to make a line segment. लाइन सेगमेंट इसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, मीट कर देते हैं यहाँ ना करके थोड़ा ये क्यू मेजर इट्स लेंथ, इसको हम लोग मेजर करते हैं 3 या 4 सेंटीमीटर अप्रॉक्स मे बी। कैन यू ड्रॉ एनी टू लाइन सेगमेंट ज्वाइनिंग दिस टू पॉइंट। अब हमको क्या करना है, कैन यू ड्रॉ एनी टू अदर लाइन सेगमेंट, 2 अदर लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करना है। क्या कर सकते हैं, ज्वाइनिंग दिस 2 पॉइंट, 2 पॉइंट से हम लोग तो या तो मे बी 2 लाइन सेगमेंट्स मे बी ये भी कर सकते हैं, 2 लाइन सेगमेंट है और 2 लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन सेकंड, आंसर दिस फॉलोइंग, नेम द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शंस वेयर द लाइन AB and CD intersect in the triangle ABC। Question 2A, name the point of intersection where the line AB and CD intersect in triangle ABC। तो A B C, name the point of intersection where the line AB और BC and BC intersect in the triangle ABC। ये दोनों को अगर लाइन सेगमेंट है इंटरसेक्ट करते क्यों होगा तो B, तो इसका आंसर हमारा B। Name and measure all the line segment in triangle ABC। AB, BC and CA। अब name the measure all the line segment in the dog hexagonal, तो हेक्सागोनल UVWXYZ, तो UV हेक्सागोनल UV VW WX XY YZ ZU। Question second D, in the square PQRS, what are the line PQ and RS are parallel, are called, sorry, PQ and RS are called तो parallel lines। Parallel lines। In the rectangle KLMN, what are the line KL and LM called? Perpendicular। Name the vertical line in the square PQRS। PQRS, the vertical line PS। Name the horizontal line in the rectangle KL, horizontal to KL। Name the selecting lines of triangle ABC। BC. Question number 3. Draw 4 line intersection at a point O. Name the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Name name the ray. Form on the diagram. How many rays there are figure? So intersect 8 rays. Only at the name of rays. Third. OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF, OG, and OH. Total rays. Question number 4. Draw a line segment of length 3 सेंटीमीटर. यूज यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि रोलर्स का यूज करके 3 सेंटीमीटर, 8 सेंटीमीटर, 4 सेंटीमीटर का एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करेंगे. 5. मेजर द फ्लोइंग लाइन सेगमेंट. इसमें लाइन दिया हुआ है, इसको रोलर से हम लोग मेजर करेंगे कि कौन सा कितना सेंटीमीटर होता है उसको. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. A, fill in the blanks, has no thickness, breadth and length. It only has a position. So 1 का point. B, A that has no end point. It can be extended on the both sides indefinite line. A ray has that ending and it has been dashed on one side indefinitely. The first one and extended. A line segment has a dash line, so fix. A line has no endpoint. F only that line segment can be drawn between 2 points. One. Thanks for watching my video.